Hi folks, I want to show you how you can actually clean your garage in the winter time with the snow. Basically, you have to mix the snow around where the dirt is, and once you lay it down, let the snow absorb all the dirt, and it works great. Thank you. You see how it removes the dirt pretty much, and that's basically it. It's the best way to clean your garage in the winter time with the snow. Well, as you can see folks, I left it soaked in the floor a little bit, and it did absorb any of the salt and grinds and dirt that was caused by the other car moving in and out. And so, as you can see how dirty this white snow was, picking up all that dirt and grinds that was here before. The floor is still super dirty, but regardless, all that chunks and rocks has been removed, or at least cleaned up in the process. You can't really bust out the water and start spraying the garage floor at this point, because it's still in the middle of winter and you don't want to be having a frozen floor on the garage. But a snow is pretty good cleaner in terms of absorbing dirt on the garage floor. So just a tip for you. And as you can see here, it did remove. There's some stains that I need to work on, but other than that, the main part of all the rocks and grinds are all combined with this dirty snow, as you can see from that to this. Anyhow, that's pretty much it.